Let's clone any website using AI. In this video, I will show you how to clone Spotify website. This is the original website UI. Now, open a new tab and go to bold.new website. If you are new to this website, create an account and enter all required details. Now enter this prompt to start clone website. Now, it's starting to create application with source code. It takes time based on your website content. This the UI of clone, and it is most similar to the original website. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.